Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel JetBlue flight online. First, go to jetblue.com and log into your JetBlue account. Navigate to the Manage Trips section to view your upcoming flights. If you don't have an account, you can still access your booking by entering your last name and confirmation code or e-ticket number. Find the specific flight you want to cancel and click on Trip Details. On the Trip Details page, select the option to cancel your itinerary. Check the refund breakdown, which will show whether you'll receive a travel bank credit or a refund for points. Confirm the cancellation to complete the process. Canceling online avoids the $25 per person fee that applies if you cancel through phone or chat. And that's it. That's how to cancel JetBlue flight online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.